Today I'm going to talk about statistics. And in statistics, when I used to teach statistics in Kishwaukee College in Malta, Illinois, people like to see things and hear things in everyday terms, things they can relate to. So standard deviation is a term I want to cover today, and a lot of times people are saying, my professor, he just speaks a foreign language. I didn't understand what he was talking about. So I'm going to give a few examples. If I were to go bowling with you, I would say that my average score is 120. But if I bowl with you, I'm not going to get 121 the first game and 119 the second game and 120 the third game. I'm going to get, from an average score of 120, I'm going to bowl 120 plus or minus 30 points, I'll say. My first game, I might bowl a 142. My second game, I might bowl a 136. My third game, I might bowl a 99 if I'm tired. There is a huge deviation from that average of 120. When I say I'll bowl 120, plus or minus 30. That plus or minus number, that is my standard deviation. More than half of my games will be within 30 points of that number. It's my bowling ball, and these are two bowling pins. I hope that by watching a lot of these videos, you'll find that I'm a little bit better with math and statistics than I am with drawing pictures. I went to China also. Here's a second example, because people often remember stories. I went to China when I was in grad school, and I taught English there. That was a lot of fun. And when I was there, I noticed something. I was taller than almost everyone that I saw in a city, Tianjin, a city of 9 million people. So when I went there, I wanted to get onto the bus, so I would say, 多少tiền? And that means, how much is it? And it was about 5 cents to get on the bus. And while I was on the bus, I could not stand up straight. I needed to stand in what is equivalent to our sunroof on a car, inside of a car. I had to stand where the vent was in the bus. And when the vent was open, the height of the bus was like this. I could see outside the bus, above the bus, while standing inside the bus. I was that much taller than the people that I saw there. Everybody on the bus was just staring at me, and I didn't mind. I felt like a giraffe. It was funny. So the average height in this country is taller than the average height of men in this country. You'll find that height greater than the average height of men in China. The average height here, 5'10", 5 feet is 60 inches, so that's 70 inches. In China, average height is 5'8", that's 68 inches. Not only is the average height greater here, but also if these black lines, if those were the heights of different people, you would see there is more of a deviation from this average, a greater deviation. This has a bigger standard deviation. If you were told the standard deviation is 3 inches, that would mean the population goes up to what number? From 70 inches. How much am I going to go up and how much am I going to go down? I'm going to go up to 73 inches, and I'm going to go down to 67 inches. This is where more than half of your population will fall. In China, if I told you the average height is 68 inches, plus or minus 2 inches, then where would that population fall? In what range? From 70 down to 66. Okay, so this height, this range is a height of 4 inches. In the United States, this range is a height of 6 inches, so it has a bigger standard deviation.